An abstract class is a class that cannot be used to create objects directly. It is meant to serve as a base class for other classes. It can include both methods with code and methods without code. Methods without code are called abstract methods. An abstract class can include abstract methods, properties, indexers, and events. Fields cannot be abstract. Any class that inherits from an abstract class must override all abstract members using the override keyword and provide their implementation. Abstract classes and abstract members are declared using the abstract keyword. They help define common structure or behavior for related classes. Abstract classes can also contain non-abstract members and constructors. They are useful when some functionality should be shared, but some parts must be defined by the derived class.